Umbrella. Ooh. Tiger. Socks. Rabbit. Queen. Penguin. Owl. Ooh. A net. N is for net. They couldn't have come up with a better one.
Net. I know.
Monkey.
What's that?
Net. A net.
Oh, a net.
Like a
A net. Picture of a net.
apple. Ball. Cat. Dog.
Can you see kitty cat?
Elephant. Frog. Grandma. Just kidding. Horse. Ice cream. Ice cream. He's trying to say ice cream.
Ice cream.
Ice cream. Up. Airplane. Goes up. Max goes in the airplane, remember?
Yeah.
Oh, what a great gift, huh? This is just great. Okay, let's do the next one, Max. You ready? Okay, let's look at that one. It's pretty. Look how big this is.
Wow.
Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, it's the big one.
Look at all the snowmen on there. Do you know what those are in that box? Those are snowmen. Can you see?
Oh my goodness.
Wow.
Get out of town.
Go ahead, I'll wrap it.
Doing pretty good on wrapping.
Oh goodness.
Yeah.
Little practice day session.
Ooh.
She's on her cell phone. Look, she's getting towed. She's like, come
Hi.
help me.
She says hi.
Don't worry, ma'am. I'll get you all taken care of. Wow.
But I guess they sit on that track. Those little cars.
Yeah, maybe.
What?
The little cars.
Oh yeah, they'll all fit on here because this is big because it's for the little people cars.
Oh.
So